So like one thing I want to say that as you would like train people for IELTS, so like what is the suggestion would you like to give to the people? Like what is the tips would you like to give to the people? Like those who are listening us, they want to go, they are preparing for IELTS or want to go abroad. So what you want to give them suggestion that how can they prepare and get good bands in IELTS?
Firstly, motivation.
First.
People have lack of motivation. Whenever any pupil prepare for any exam, they think this is not cup of tea for them because they get pressure. So firstly, motivation. Secondly, don't spend too much time on the preparation.
Mm-hmm.
Just give your 100% because you cannot run your preparation for a long time, such as IES exam. Those exams do have lots of diversity, such
Exactly.
as economics and chemistry, GK. Here are many parts of the GK because I have been through with that exam.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas in ALS, it's all about the language.
Okay.
And just do preparation for 3 months and fill your exam. Check your capability because this is not UPSC exam. This
Mm-hmm.
exam not like a Kumbh fair which
Mm-hmm.
comes after 4 years.
Okay.
So organization provide 4 chances in a month. You can fill your
Exactly.
exam
Yeah.
unlimited time. Do the preparation, check your capability and give your 100%. Be motivated and try to be in the target language such as English.
Exactly. So like I think when I talk to some of the people, okay, so they face mainly the problem in speaking.
Hmm.
Okay, so like how they can improve themselves, like in speaking, because the people, those who are listeners, mostly they want to improve their speaking skills or want to improve their English or want to improve their communication skills. So what suggestion would you like to give to them how they can improve their speaking? Okay, as you are also a good speaker, you can also speak too good in English and in communication skills. So what suggestion would you like to give and how you have improved like this?
Actually, my journey has been taken lots of time. As I told you, I took admission Bachelor of Arts and
Mm-hmm.
my major was English. And after that, I have done my MA in English and MPhil in English too.
Mm-hmm.
So therefore, 7 years I've spent in my study, and there
Okay.
were lots of courses which were provided by my university free of cost. How to speak, how to interact with public, and I took participate in lots of debate and I took participate in lots of competitions. I used to write the speaks. I used to work as a freelancer because I'm a good content writer.
Oh my God. Yeah.
So it's been long journey. If any beginner listen me and want to speak like me, then that beginner needs lots of practice. But
Mm.
I would like to give some shortcuts how people can improve themselves.
Mm.
Firstly, English grammar is one of the important thing.
Mm.
I have heard from many people they just want to speak without grammar. It's
Mm.
possible if individual have good vocabulary and individual knows the meaning of the words, such as many people don't know the meaning of was, have, had, and they don't have rich vocabulary. How those people can speak without grammar?
Mm.
So
Okay.
therefore, it was said by my professor,
Mm.
if any individual wants to get mastery on any language,
Mm-hmm.
firstly individual have to get mastery on the grammar.
Grammar. Okay.
Yeah, grammar is the shortcut in order to become fluent early in the English language.
Mm.
Secondly, there are many applications which can be used by individuals such as OpenTalk, Hello application. These are the two examples of them.
Means you only
And
say
what
practice.
it's only for practice,
Mm.
and there are very rare chance to get a good people, but there are some good people with whom individuals can practice.
Mm.
The first starting of any beginner from the translation, and the
Mm-hmm.
next step, think in the target language and speak in the target language. That means create an environment.
Okay.
And so third level, intermediate level,
Mm.
where individual can start talk on a topic. Any topic can be picked by the individual, such as discipline, Indian education system, Indian polity, and can
Mm.
start discussion or debate with other people, which will
Okay.
pressurize, because without pressurize, individual cannot do efforts or strive to make themselves
Mm.
uh, improve or be affluent. So these
Exactly.
are the ways which can be used. I would like to give you the brief idea.
Mm-hmm.
Firstly, go through with the English grammar and
Mm.
enhance your vocabulary.
Okay.
Individuals can listen and can write down unfamiliar words. Don't forget to cram those words in every morning, and try to
Okay.
make sentences also. And
Mm.
whenever individual talk with anybody, individuals can use those words and try to talk on a topic. Many topics can be found on a Google, burning issues and current matters such as farmer agitation is being happened in India. So
Right.
individuals can talk and can share. It will not only improve or enhance the knowledge of individual, but also will insist them to be a fluent in English language. So these are the things which can be done by any person who wants to be good in any language.
Okay, fantastic. So I think you gave a very good and great point.